Hey everybody, Gerry Betsy here and welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into unemployment insurance in 2025. We'll break it down step by step, covering eligibility, necessary documents, and application tips. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides. Let's do this. First things first, let's figure out if you qualify for unemployment insurance. This is a crucial step because understanding your eligibility can save you a lot of time and effort. The criteria can vary slightly depending on your location, but there are some common requirements that most places adhere to. You'll need to have lost your job through no fault of your own, like layoffs or company closures. This means that if you were let go due to downsizing, restructuring, or the company shutting down, you are likely eligible. However, if you were fired for misconduct or you quit voluntarily without a compelling reason, you might not qualify. You'll also need to have earned a certain amount during a specific time period known as the base period. This base period is typically the first 4 of the last 5 completed calendar quarters before you filed your claim. Your earnings during this time will be used to determine both your eligibility and the amount of benefits you can receive. This usually covers the first 4 of the last 5 completed calendar quarters before you filed your claim. It's important to note that the base period can sometimes be extended or altered in special circumstances, such as if you were out of work due to a medical condition or other significant life events. And you have to be actively seeking new employment. This means you can't just sit back and wait for a job to come to you. You need to be proactive in your job search efforts. That means updating your resume, scouring job boards, and going on interviews. You should be applying to a variety of positions that match your skills and experience. The more active you are in your job search, the better your chances of finding new employment quickly. You'll likely need to keep a detailed job search log, recording all those applications and interviews. This log is not just for your own organization, it's often required by the unemployment office to prove that you are making a genuine effort to find work. It's all about proving you're serious about re-entering the workforce. Attending career workshops, networking events, and even taking additional training or certification courses can also demonstrate your commitment to finding a new job. Unemployment insurance is designed to be a temporary lifeline while you navigate job hunting. It provides you with financial support so you can focus on finding the right job without the immediate pressure of financial instability. It's not a permanent vacation, it's there to provide financial stability while you're between jobs. Use this time wisely to budget your expenses, pay your bills, and make sure you are financially prepared for the transition period. So take a deep breath, gather your documents, and let's move on to the next step. Being organized and prepared will make the process smoother and less stressful. Now that you understand the basic eligibility criteria, you're ready to proceed with your application. Okay, let's talk documents. First up, you'll need proof of identification like a driver's license, state ID, or passport. Next, you'll need your social security number. Then comes proof of your employment history, like pay stubs, W-2 forms, or termination letters. If you've had multiple jobs in the past year, gather this information for each employer. Depending on your state, you might need additional documents like a work search record or interview confirmations. Each state might have its own set of requirements, so check with your state's unemployment office. Gathering all these documents up front will save you a lot of headaches down the road. Alright, let's get down to business. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of applying for unemployment insurance. Whether you're doing this for the first time or just need a refresher, this guide will help you navigate the steps with ease. It's time to tackle that application form. This might seem like a daunting task, but with a little patience and attention to detail, you'll get through it smoothly. In 2025, most states allow you to apply for unemployment insurance online. This means you can complete the process from the comfort of your home without having to visit an office in person. It's convenient and efficient, but some states still offer the option to apply in person. If you prefer face-to-face interaction or need assistance, visiting an office might be the better choice for you. The application itself is pretty similar regardless of the method. You'll be asked to provide a range of information, so it's good to have all your documents ready before you start. You'll start by providing your personal information and work history. This includes your name, address, social security number, and details about your previous employment. Be honest and accurate here. Any discrepancies can delay your application, or even result in denial of benefits. Next, you'll answer questions about your eligibility. These questions help determine if you meet the criteria for receiving unemployment benefits. Finally, review your application, sign it, and hit that submit button. Make sure everything is correct before you submit, as errors can cause delays. Once you've submitted your application, you'll receive a confirmation number. This number is crucial for tracking your application status. Guard this number with your life. It's your proof that you've applied and will be needed for any follow-up inquiries. It's your proof that you've applied. Keep it in a safe place where you can easily find it if needed. Double-check your application for any errors or omissions before submitting. This step is crucial to ensure that your application is processed without any hitches. Applying for unemployment insurance might seem daunting, but it's not rocket science. With a bit of preparation and careful attention to detail, you can complete the process successfully. Just take your time, read the instructions carefully, and don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. There are resources available to assist you, whether it's online guides, helplines, or in-person support at unemployment offices. Remember, you're not alone in this process, and help is always available if you need it. Alright, you've gathered your documents and filled out the application. This is the first step in a process that can seem daunting, but with the right guidance, it becomes manageable. Now, how do you submit it? This is a crucial decision that can affect the speed and ease of your application process. In 2025, you have two main options, online or in person. Each method has its own set of advantages and considerations. Most states have online portals that are designed to streamline the application process. Here, you can create an account, upload your documents, and submit your application. It's quick and convenient, allowing you to complete everything from the comfort of your home. However, make sure you have all your documents scanned and ready. This includes your identification, proof of employment, and any other required paperwork. If you prefer a more personal touch, you can visit your local unemployment office. This option allows for face-to-face interaction, which can be reassuring. At the office, you can speak directly with a representative who will guide you through the process and answer any questions you might have. This can be particularly helpful if you have a complex situation or need additional assistance. A representative will guide you through the process and answer any questions. They can provide clarity on any confusing aspects of the application and ensure that you have all the necessary documents. Regardless of your chosen method, it's crucial to keep a copy of everything for your records. This includes your application, any correspondence, and confirmation receipts. Keeping organized records will help you track your application status and provide proof if any issues arise. Submitting your unemployment insurance application is easier than ever before. The digital age has brought about tools and resources that simplify the process. Whether you choose to go online or visit an office, the key is to ensure that your application is complete and accurate. Just choose your method, online or in person, based on what suits your needs and comfort level, and get ready to conquer the world of unemployment benefits. With the right approach, you'll navigate this process smoothly and efficiently. Congratulations! You've submitted your application. What happens now? The unemployment office will review it to make sure you meet all the eligibility requirements. You might receive a request for additional information or documentation. Once your application has been processed, you'll receive a decision on your claim. If approved, you'll start receiving benefits based on your previous earnings. These benefits are designed to provide a financial safety net while you search for a new job. You'll need to continue to meet the eligibility requirements throughout your benefit period. This means actively searching for work and reporting any earnings or job offers. Use this time wisely. Update your resume, network, and brush up on your interview skills. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. There are resources available to help you. And that, my friends, is how to navigate the world of unemployment insurance in 2025. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative content and updates. See you in the next video.